Well, we got the trans mated again for the 5 bajillionth time. And then when we were going to make sure that everything works, right? Because that's what you usually do. This Mafica decided to blow a brake line. So now we gotta go through and replace the rear brake lines. One thing after another, but this will be fun. This will be easy. Brake lines are easy peasy weezies. Brake line for the first time. It's like half easy peasy weezy, you know. All right, so we got this end flared up. Got that boy flared. That on there. Just gonna cut these lines up and then run it around the gas tank instead of over that shit. Cause, well, America, that's why. Gonna follow the same route up and over the rear subframe. And yeah, go from there. So I can snake it through there. I'm gonna buddy Kev grab it, and then we'll run it down. I was gonna replace this one as well, but I mean it's seemingly in pretty decent shape. I probably should do it, but. So yeah, show you guys that once we get that there bad boy on there. Gosh dang, does she look good out here in the normal light though? He got the lights hooked up a little backwards. I don't know what's going on, but yep. She's coming along. Just gotta figure out that drag, but I mean, she's purring like a kitten, boys. That hissing and pissing is, but coming out from up there. Let's see. Spinning as she should. So you got a little droopity droop there. Don't know where it's coming from. Maybe it's just that. She's out. She is out. Just gotta figure out chugga and get to ugga duggin. That's in the freaking pedal dugga. The dugga pedal. First distance trip. About 35 miles. Taking her from home to work. We got the good old lift-ola. Oh, fingers crossed, prayers have been said. The only light on right now is the washer fluid light because I ain't got them bitches hooked up. Ain't nobody needs sprayer. Just more prayers. Let's go. Well, gosh darn, is this just the first dang wash she done ever seen. It's only been about 8 years or so. Who knows before that? She's getting herself a rave bath. Give me them suds. Give me them suds. Suds for all my buds. Oh, so much suds. Wait for the rave lights. Wait for the rave lights. Wait for the red light. Uh-oh. Step up in the wash like that. What do you guys think? Should I put some ambient lighting in this bad boy? Anyway, first wash, killing it. Oh, just another day. We'll get there, boys. We'll get there. Just a little technical difficulties. We'll get her done. So, I got her dropped back off at the good old shop. Luckily there, I got a lift that I can work on. To me, it's looking like it is going to be probably the front differential. I think that locked up. If I can remember correctly, I think there was some fluid dripping that I thought I addressed the problem of, and I guess I did not. So I'm assuming, and I'm thinking pretty strongly that that thing ran out of the good old juice monkey and decided to lock up on me. Luckily, I was off the exit, as you can see from the video, and on a pretty slow street, so that's nice. I'm glad it didn't happen on the highway. Just a little road bump, but we got this. Just got to locate one. Tried locating one. They had the front diff marked as the rear diff, and well, they didn't have the front diff, just the rear diff. But we got this. Be calling around tomorrow, and we'll get that shit in. We'll get it in. Mark my words. She made it that far. And I didn't come this far to give up on this car. No, I did not. I am gonna keep busting my ass until this thing is I mean, if it's all gotta be brand new by that point. I mean, the engine's new. You know, the front suspension, all of that's new. Nearly. Brakes, new. Rear brake lines, what? New. I'm telling you. I ain't giving up on this wagon. This wagon is going to last me. Same with the Subi, which is going to be coming up here in some episodes. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you build it, they will come. That's what they say. So here I am. I got many builds, and they're going to be coming all over.
So, I think we found the problem here. It won't turn all the way. That's the problem. That's the problem. Oh, we got a little bearing here.
Metal fragments? That's good. Your differential? Yeah.
She's fucking tanked, boys. Fucking tanked. It's only a couple bits, though. She'll buff. She'll buff.
That's good.
Yeah, she'll be fine, dude.
Yeah, she'll be alright.
She'll be fine.
She'll be well.
That's what happens when you swallow grenades. Just blast out from the inside. Alright. But the good old fucking place I got this from left this little pin in here that I had to punch out. So,
yeah, definitely gonna wash her.
now we're just gonna clean this bad boy, put her back together, and send her down the road. Alright. Axle's back in. Gotta get that big nut. We got homegirl back in here. Oh, Betsy. Got that milk trunk of Donka in there. But that one, gonna pull it through a little bit. And we fucking yeeting, skeeting, and beating, you know what I'm saying? Isn't that right, Kevin?
I think so. I don't know.
He thinks so. All right, here we go.